Is this the Christmas that you wanted?
No, not the Christmas I wanted.
No, I didn't. I dreamed to be with my nieces and nephews and them. That's very tough. That's hard. But we get through it.
I regret being on the streets, I do. I find it hard being on the street.
End of September I've been on the street. Because I got sick of motels, I got sick of the landlord. Cockroaches everywhere. They didn't bring pots, pans, cup, knives and that. Nothing in the kitchens to cook on. There's an oven, but there's no stove to cook in. 2.5 years I was emergency housing. Yeah, until they get me a house, then I'll get off the street. But I ain't going in no motels. That's why I moved out on the street. I'm better off on the street than in there. This is my partner, Rawiri. We've been together for about 3 years. Both of my parents had passed away when I was 18.